Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll, and tonight I come to you with these wonderful Barbie dolls here. And when we left off, I was using the white shelving paper to help the dolls on their stand so their feet wouldn't slide off. So I went out to my shop and I was looking for the felt, but instead as I was looking I found the foam. I have this great big whack of foam here in a brand new package, and I went, oh my goodness, why am I just not using that instead? So I brought it in and I cut out little squares for their feet, as you can see here. There they are, little squares, and it works out really nice for them. I really enjoyed the look of it, and it really kind of gives that Easter flair, and it matches their dresses a bit here and there. I went with the orange because there's an orange flower in her dress right there, and I know there's no real green this color, but it doesn't look bad. You know, it's what it is, you know, type of thing, because I already used the mauve over here. No, I think I'll just keep it the way it is. It doesn't look that bad. I think it looks pretty. So, yeah, this is nice. It really turned out pretty good. And these dolls look wonderful, you know, so I'm really happy with how they turned out and everything with their dresses and everything. So I've got some more to dress, 4 more to go because I took out 10. My goodness, I don't know. I got a whole box full of Barbies that need to be dressed, and I'm just like, this folk just about killed me here, these ones here, like getting them put together and dealing with them. I was like, oh my goodness, this is a lot of work. Cleaning them up, getting them dressed, finding the right dress for this type of thing too. That's the other thing. I enjoyed it too, and the greater sense, I enjoyed it, but it's a lot of work. You know, dressing these dolls, and I was like, wow, there's a lot behind these, and I'll squish you in there. There we go. And we got this girl over here that's not being seen. Let's get her. There she is. So, you know, but I enjoyed it, though. This has been a nice break away from just composition dolls. I think you need this every so often, you know, but yeah, this is nice. So we're still working on them. We still got, like I say, 4 more to go yet. And those ones I'm hoping to do more on camera now. Now that I got my confidence up about that I can dress these girls. And I have shoes picked out already. I picked out a bunch of shoes. These shoes down here are a little bit on the big side. You probably see the little gaps on it. But I'm going to put it this way. I rather those than these little cheap ones here. These, I said, I think on my last video I said Etsy. It wasn't Etsy. It's AliExpress. That's where I got them from. You know, you can buy them on there like, what, $1 or something? And at least that's when I last bought them a few years ago. They're not the right ones. They don't work. But these other ones are perfect. And some were given to me, some I bought also, but they work. And I try to give them all about close to the same. I got some different ones back there. This one's a little bit of a square toe where the rest are kind of pointed. She's got an open toe sandal. And again, you know, but I wanted to keep them in the Easter colors, you know, so match their dresses up with the colors and all that stuff. It was fun in the greater sense of the way. I really enjoyed it, though. But like I say, they're a lot of work. No wonder we tired out as kids when we were little, dressing our dolls and everything. Little fingers were just moving, you know, moving and creating and everything. But oh, I enjoyed this. This was wonderful. So anyways, I hope you enjoy seeing these girls right now getting ready for their Easter celebration. So anyhow, and just these little additives that you do add to the color and the flavor of it all. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll be coming back with some more of this wonderful world of Barbie and their Easter celebration. Now, I don't know the names of all these Barbies. If they had a theme to them, they probably did, but hey, there you go. But thanks again for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this too. So you get creative with this sort of thing. So, and I hope this gave you ideas if you're finding that your Barbies, or if you have these steel stands and they're sliding, here's some things. Even if you have stands that they don't slide on and you want to decorate it to the clothing that they're, this is an idea. And you could cut them into Easter shapes and maybe flower. If I had a punch or something, maybe that would be nice. You know, to put a nice little flower punch, you know, that would be something to have. I don't have that. But anyways, for this year, for Easter, this will do. Anyways, thank you for joining me. Coming back again. If you're walking by and you sat down for a few minutes and said, hey, I like this lady, subscribe. And thank you to all my other subscribers for sticking by on this channel and supporting me. And if you have a comment, leave it down below and give me a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Thanks again for joining me. Bye-bye.